Hey, welcome back to HMR. Making progress on that inner lower quarter panel rocker. One more section to go. I'm going to go over and cut a 4 by 7 inch piece out of the old 59 foot. While I'm walking over there, on the last video, I was complaining about the old Miller Cricket XL, and it appears to be operator error. I had tension on the wire ridiculously tight. So I got on Interweb and found out that if it's a little too tight, they call it bird's nesting, I guess, where the wire kind of twists around, gets kinked up. So, yeah. So I took the tension down, I loosened it up to the point that I can adjust it, and it worked. I did a little extra tacking on that first inner lower quarter panel that I put in. I wanted to make sure, so I got that done, and it seemed to work very well, and really had the old bacon sizzling on that. Sounds like bacon, you're getting good contact. So I think it's going to be good. So let's, I need a 4. We don't have to be super precise, but we can kind of do like this. 4. Oh, you know what? Let me get my square. Why not? Let's get the square. Let's make it efficient. And so I was happy to find out that it was operator error and I didn't have to buy anything for it. I was going to buy the new, it's called, it's like a rheostat, just like you have the headlights in your car where you dim your dome lights and brighten them up. That's exactly how that works. So, which was great. We said, what did we say? 4 by 7, right? What am I doing? I don't know. 7 this way. Oh, come on. Get with the program. I'm going to cut this, and then I'll grind it down, get all this stuff off it. And I'm going to tack it right on without putting the lip on it or anything, because I'm going to kind of make the bend while it's on the car. Which is, I guess there's 100 different ways you can do it, but that's the way I'm going to do it. And if it doesn't work, put a new piece out and start all over. Make sure that's sitting close enough. 4, boom. So camera person, let's see, let's do it this way. Yeah, there you go. We're going to be burning it up here. Little burn. Feels good. Feels good. boy. Oh, well, no wonder why I was smoking. I'll tell you what, they used a ton. I'm just call it tar. There's on the rear port. I'll show you. Come over here. Let me show you what's going on. Let me show you why I say that. I knocked out a big old chunk up in this corner right here. See this corner right here? This was all tar. Look at what's underneath there. See how white paint? Factory paint. Well, this is all obviously this is all rotted, but this was all tar. The whole lower inner quarter was, I'll say, tarred, almost like rust proofing. So, anyways, not that that's a big deal, but just means I gotta take care of some of this by scraping it off. Maybe I should have just bought a clean piece of sheet. How would I want to do that? Too much roll. Getting closer, the old Swiss cheese is our pattern. That's going to be next after this piece. We're making progress, that's the main thing. Actually, this scrapes off pretty easy. So the goal is to stop talking. Sorry. The goal is to just tack this piece on. I have cut out all the bad metal on the end of that inner rocker. And my thought right now, that's the inner rocker piece that I cut out. So my thought is to, you know what? I know you're here. Come over here. Get on the side of it, looking at it this way, so you can get an idea what I'm trying to attempt to do. So you can see this there. You can see this is the original filler right here. So this piece, I was just going to tack it on like this, and bend it around, connect it, whatever we need to do. But I think I might just put it behind it, kind of like this. Might be another video, but put it behind it, and then I can make a cap for the end. Once I get this quarter piece made, then the cap would be the last piece I would make. So I'm going to, I want to keep this angle. So maybe I should put it on this side. That might be the better option. Yeah. So let me noodle this, and when we come back, I'll have this ready to tack in. All right? So we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, so got the piece cut, I ground it down. I'm gonna tack it in, and that will be the last major piece for the inner rocker. And I plan on, I didn't pre-bend it, so to speak, for the quarter panel, but I will bend that to match the inner rocker that we have right there. So right now, keep my fingers crossed that the welding gun is going to be rocking, no issues. And then once we get this done, we'll pretty much have the inner rocker done. And that means start moving to the patch panel on the outer quarter. So, hold it. All right, let's see what happens. I'm using one of these clamps. I don't know if you see it. With two pieces of metal. There's a little square piece of metal on the back side. Gives you a nice little space. And I used this on my crew cab when I was repairing the rear quarter, or not the box. And they work really good because it gives you just enough space to, when you tack it, it joins both pieces really well. So I'm hoping for the same result here. So let's see what we got. Too wide. Maybe my needle's off. There we go. I tell you what, the welder's working much better with a lot less tension on the wire. Might have a little too hot, but I can dry this down. Make it look decent. Let's see. Oh, all right. Let's see if I can catch it right here. Interesting with that tar. Gives it a you can still get it here underneath. There's a big old blob of metal. All right. We'll call it making progress. So, got that piece on, we'll let that cool down. I'll put the bend in it so the quarter panel will be able to attach to that. I'll let that cool down, take off the clamps, and then go ahead and retack it. And then I know you're close to the passenger side or driver's side quarter. One thing I'm really not worried about, but wondering about, I don't even it's not gonna work, but this right in here, this is the filler panel. This is the quarter that comes in. You see it's got a bent, comes down, and then it comes down to here. And I've got that measurement from a buddy who's got a 59. So I'll be able to determine how far down this has to go. But the inner rocker has a little filler plate in there, so I've got to get that created on both sides, obviously. But with that being said, I'm going to finish this up. No need to keep watching me doing that, but I'll get that done, get that fit in, and then we'll move on to making the patch panel for the lower quarter. I'm going to try that by hand. I've been thinking about what I'm going to use to put the bends in it. And the S, a little bit of an S, so my wheels have been spinning about that. But hey, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, talk to you later.